Want to create professional 2D and 3D floor plans in just seconds without spending weeks learning complicated CAD software? In this video, we're looking at RoomSketcher, an incredibly easy-to-use floor plan creator trusted by over 10 million people worldwide. Whether you're a homeowner planning a remodel or a real estate agent preparing a listing, this tool is designed to save you hours of work. The absolute best feature is their AI Convert tool. If you already have a rough sketch, a blueprint, or a PDF, you can simply upload it, and RoomSketcher's AI turns it into a fully editable digital project in under 5 seconds. From there, you can customize everything. If you're starting from scratch, the drawing tools are super intuitive with snap-fitting walls and live measurements, meaning you don't need any prior design experience. Once your walls are up, you can drag and drop furniture, swap out wall colors, change flooring, and watch your changes update instantly in both 2D and 3D. You can even add technical details like room names, total area, and electrical or HVAC symbols. Now, let's talk about what users actually think. While our detailed third-party review data is limited today, the platform holds highly impressive ratings, averaging 4.4 to 4.5 stars across Trustpilot, Google, G2, and Capterra. Users like Alec and Shelby highlight how fast it is to edit designs in real time right in front of clients, and how useful it is to copy projects to showcase multiple layout options. On the flip side, because it focuses on being fast and user-friendly, traditional architects looking for highly complex engineering CAD tools might find it a bit too streamlined. But for quick, polished, and professional visuals, it's incredibly hard to beat. You can get started for free and upgrade whenever you need more advanced features. Head over to roomsketcher.com to try it out for yourself, and let me know in the comments how your first floor plan turns out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick AI tutorials.